Hello, good morning and welcome back to my channel. Most people love chicken gizzards, but cooking them the right way makes all the difference. Today, I will show you how to make tender, flavorful and delicious gizzard kebab that everyone will love. In my bowl, I've got my already washed and cleaned bell pepper mix. That's yellow, red and green, along with some garlic, ginger and onions. And here I have 1 kilogram of chicken gizzards, also washed and cleaned. Next, pour your peppers, your ginger, your garlic and onions into a blender and blend until smooth. Add in small water. This helps the vegetables to blend very well and smooth. Once you're done blending, set it aside. Add your gizzards to a clean pot. Pour in half of the blended mixture. We will use the remaining half later in the video. Add in your parsley, oregano, your thyme, your seasoning cubes, add your salt to taste. Stir very well to combine. Cover the pot and let it come to a boil. Stir again to combine. Once it's boiling, add just enough water to cook the gizzards until tender, but don't add too much. This is because we want most of the liquid to dry up so that all the flavors soak deep inside the gizzards, making them rich and flavorful. Add more salt if needed. Cover and allow to cook. Check on the gizzards from time to time to make sure they don't burn. Give them a quick stir. Cover the pot again until it's time to take them off the stove. This is the perfect time to take the gizzards off the stove. The water has almost dried up and all the ingredients have marinated beautifully into the gizzards. I've cut some bell peppers and onions into sizable pieces. This will be used to decorate our kebab skewers along with the gizzards. You can leave them raw if you like, but I will fry them in a little vegetable oil for a few minutes to bring out extra flavor. Once the oil heats up, you add in your vegetables. Fry for a few minutes. Sprinkle little salt on it just for taste. Remove it from the cooking stove and set it aside. In a frying pan, add some vegetable oil and let it heat up for a few minutes. Add the remaining blended mixture. Stir very well to combine. Cover and let them fry for a bit. Now we have to sieve the gizzards to remove extra water. This is because we don't want too much liquid when frying. Once you're done, you set it aside. Check on the pan and add in your habanero peppers. This will give the gizzard a nice spicy kick. Stir everything well to combine. Add your seasoning cube, little curry, and salt to taste. Stir again. Cover and let it fry for a few more minutes. Next, add the gizzards to the pan. Stir them very well so that all the pieces are evenly coated with the sauce. Add your Maggi seasoning. Cover and let everything to fry together. Remember to check on your gizzards at intervals so that it doesn't burn, and also remember to give it a good stir each time you do. This will make sure that your gizzards are perfectly cooked and full with flavor. Cover again for a few more minutes. And there you have it. Our spicy, flavorful, and absolutely delicious gizzards are perfectly cooked. Now, let's arrange them beautifully on the skewers. Just like you see in the video, alternate the gizzards with the fried veggies and gently thread them until all the gizzards are used. If you have watched this video till this point, please do well to like, subscribe, and give this video a thumbs up. It will really go a long way. Now tell us, have you tried making gizzards this way? What ingredients do you use? And will you try this recipe? Let us know in the comments. This dish is perfect for birthdays, weddings, or simply enjoying it in your home with soda or a glass of wine. Trust me, everyone will love it. It tasted so good. Thank you so much for watching. To my returning subscribers, thanks for your support. And to my new subscribers, I say welcome. I really appreciate the support. All the ingredients used in this recipe are listed in the description box below. I will see you in my next video. Have a wonderful week. Bye!